hell is that? What is this we've got here, guys? So here she is, guys. The new feature on the channel. It's a Mark 7 Golf GTI, as you can probably tell. It's a 2-litre turbocharged 6-speed manual front wheel drive car. You can get this car in a DSG. This one is the manual. You've got 220 brake horsepower. And tell you what, I think the car does the rest of the talking. They're a gorgeous car. I have always liked the Mark 7 GTI, but back in the day they were always out of budget. I did want the Mark 6 a while back, and now we've got a Mark 7. So I'm going to take you around some roads now. Stay tuned, guys, because today we have another POV review for you. Mark 7 GTI. I hope you enjoy. I've got to say I'm fairly impressed with the car, to be quite honest. It is quick. It is quick. And I really like this style of the dash, personally. This analog. The analog style dash. You've got a flat bottom steering wheel. That's standard. They're nice cars, reasonably priced as well. Price isn't too bad. The insurance on these are actually fairly cheap-ish as well, because they have all these. They have these safety features, which is the sensor at the front of the car on the front bumper. Which this car's just got the brake assist, driver assist, all that sort of stuff.
What an idiot. I'm putting that in a Facebook group.
Right, here we are. We've got another review for you guys. A Mark 7 GTI, this is. This is the car we were talking about, one of the cars we were talking about, anyway. The Mark 7 comes with a 2-litre turbocharged engine. It's got 210 to 220 brake horsepower. This one has got a 6-speed manual transmission. You can get 6-speed DSG boxes in this car as well. For me personally, a car like this, I'd rather have a manual, because it's a driver's car. But for a daily driver, I'd get an auto DSG, because this is my first time driving a Mark 7, and I've drove a Mark 5 before. It's quite good on fuel as well, this car. It's only a 2 litre, isn't it? So it's not going to be bad on fuel. I can see it. I can definitely see it being a good daily driver. on the, as in insurance, fuel. You can get your kids in the back, eat your shopping in the boot, and you can drive fast if you need to. It's an all-rounder. It's an all-round, definitely an all-rounder, I'd say. But it's quite nice. Gearbox is smooth, clutch is smooth. So this car is all stock currently as well. I think it's going to stay stock as well, as far as I'm aware. So it's no exhaust, no nothing, no tune. I think he's going to do an induction kit. I think he'll get an induction kit for it. So yeah, I quite like this car, like I said. It's a good all-rounder in my opinion. You know, it ticks the majority of the boxes. It probably ticks every box, to be quite honest with you. It's got the power, it's got the looks, you know, you get your kids in the back, food, all sorts. Dog.
Let's just have our chilled out nice walk.
I drove the Mark 7 Golf R, but never a Mark 7 GTI. I tell you what, it's quite a good car. I'm enjoying it. It's power. It's got enough power. It puts the power down nicely, and it grips as well around the corners. It's a very nice car. The interior, I love these seats. I'm not gonna lie. It's like similar to the Club Sports. I do like those a lot. You got the flat bottom steering wheel, you got the not digi dash, you got the analog dash, you've got the touchscreen multimedia unit. It's nice. I like it. It's fast as well. Hit the downshift. Nice, responsive, just how we like it. See you later, Corsa woman. Hit that downshift. $140. Is it 135? Oh, it is. Gorgeous. That is beautiful. What the hell is that? What is this we've got here, guys? Right, Mark 7 GTI is approved. That was a zebra. Yeah, as I was saying, Mark 7 GTI approved. I like this car a lot. Like I say, first time I've ever driven it. A Mark 7 anyway. It's nice. Does everything, doesn't it? so let's just pull it through those gears. I tell you what guys, it's an impressive little car, I'll say that. It's an impressive little car. I like it, it's quick. It's quick. For a front wheel drive car, you're stuck. You are quite planted. It's nice. I'm not pushing the car too hard. It's not my car, you see, so but we're giving it what she likes, what she's made for. Yes, the brothers. Yes, the brothers, man. So that'll do it for the POV review on the Mark 7 GTI. I do hope you've enjoyed today's episode, and I hope you enjoy these POV episodes. I quite enjoy doing them. So let us know in the comments if you enjoy these reviews. If you don't enjoy the reviews, we have got quite a few more cars lined up for you now. We've got, well, I say a few, we've got loads of cars lined up for you now. We've got M2s, we've got 140s, we have a very special Astra to show you very soon. Fucking guy wants to die. But yeah, we've got a very special Astra to show you soon, and multiple other cars. So I hope you do enjoy this type of content, because we've got lots more of it. We're also going to keep doing the shows. I hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the video, and we'll catch you next week, guys.